Why isn't this starting? Up, up. Is it starting? Tell me when you can see me. Because it hasn't started on my end. Or this thing is just broken. Okay, no, you can't. Okay, cool. Well, hey everybody. Today's going to be a normal day. Just a totally normal day. With no tomfoolery. Yeah. So it's going to be only an hour-long stream, I think. And I'm just going to work on my to-do list. Just gonna dive in, I think. Yeah, so don't forget to run the today command. And I think the other thing you'll probably want to try out is buying control over the lights. Maybe that's about it. So yeah, prioritizing detailed planning. Pretty important. But I kind of already did this. Well, maybe not completely. Oh boy. Yeah, this should be interesting. Yeah, so welcome to April 1st. This is the day where I tried to use Sublime and can't. So anyway, let's see. Create a separate IAM account and key for each server. Make sure I'm never using root credentials. I should definitely do this. Let me write this over here. But I should do this after the stream. Yeah, alright, cool. This was just about using calc and border box sizing. Yeah, I think we can get rid of this too for now. Thanks, Liquidor. And thanks, Hideo. Let me update my top cheer and my cheer text. I'm gonna try to keep this stuff up to date. Top cheer 500 by Liquidor. And we are up to 625 bits. Thanks. You're helping me go to whatever it is these silly goals are for. I can't find the cheer goal. Oh, there it is. Great. Finally, this stream got serious. I know, right? God. I was sick of how... it was such a clown fiesta in here. Alright. So, yeah. I definitely suggest you watch it. Thank you very much, Adea. Alright, I gotta manually update these things because I didn't actually expect people to cheer today. Can you make your webcam bigger? You're devaluing my Sublime viewing skills. You mean like this? You want my webcam bigger? Yep, this is what we're gonna be doing, Liquidor, from here on out. So I think I can delete this too. Oh, you know what? I never kept track of how many things started on this to-do list. Yeah, so 936 lines at the beginning of the day. I'm glad you like it, Digi. That took a lot longer than I care to admit. But please make sure you've actually looked at the today command. Maybe save that for later. Okay, I was going to delete this stuff too. This may help you in the future. It's a little late, I know. Top cheers not counting everything? Yeah, of course, it's just for today. Hey, Capillara. Amazing overlay? Yeah. Actually, what I wanted to do, I wanted to get one of those cheer cups and just make that be the entire stream. Have my camera be like a tiny snippet at the bottom. Hey, Original Pepper. It's full versus to do. Oh, this is when we finally get back to the blueprint in Chip UI. Yeah, let me write this down over here. Hey, Swift Apocalypse. So yeah, when we do finally get back to that, we're gonna need to write this down. So walls and pits. Yeah. Are we creating Boatland? No, not this year, I don't think. Oh, I didn't make a code pen for that. See if I should automate all of the different Ansible setup tasks. I already kind of started this one. I had shared it with a couple other people, but I kept watching it to see, is this something you guys are going to like? Are you not going to like it? Hey, Vito. Oh, this is definitely great. Oh, this is regular stream, Vito, just normal setup. Okay, so the only real thing left to automate here is a one button command for everything. I think this is already being tracked on my other to-do list though. Yeah. Hey, Programmer D. The LED strip around my neck. What's with the horrible text all over the screen? Oh, you mean the goals? Yeah, those are important, Pro Sam. We need to start being serious about Twitch here. Can you be a sponsor? I mean, I'm gonna have to put you toward the donation goal or something if you do that, right? Also, I should lower the, hang on, let me do this really fast. There's a lunch command somewhere. I gotta fix that. Scripts. Where is it? Lunch cost 15. We're gonna change this. Oh wait, not the lunch cost, not that. Lights cost. Where's that? That doesn't even exist. Huh? Where is this set? What does the earn respect button do? You'll have to figure it out. But I gotta figure out how to change this. Points to subtract. Parse int 0. Handle subtract point. What sets this thing? Shouldn't there be a lunch command somewhere? Or buy lights? Oh, required points equals 25. Yeah. We're going to set this to just 10. Okay, so buy lights cost 10 points. Can we at least have some order on the goal information? It's distracting from your stream. It's proper. Setting off my OCD. Some order? What do you mean some order? I think it looks great. And Liquid Order, just press the donate button, okay? So yeah, refund. I am going to refund you guys. Who actually got tokens here? I don't see it. Okay, so Digi, Banana. Who else did? Digi again. Probably Banana again. Yeah, we'll just give you these things back. There we go. Can you move the sponsor box to cover your face? If you do, I'll sponsor you. Also, did I just miss a cheer? Whoa, did you? I did miss a cheer. Oh, thanks. 1,500. God, I gotta like write these things down. Thank you very much. Superman 100. What are the specs for your new computer? What's with the cheer emotes? Oh, those are normal. All right, let's update this. Programmer D, thanks for resubbing. Oh God, I can't update all this fast enough. So add 1,600 to this. Top cheer changes. I wasn't prepared for this. There. Hey, Soul Sorcerers. Why do I have to constantly resub? It's a Twitch Prime thing. Typical big shot streamer. I just want to point out a couple of things. Today, there's that command you might want to look at. And you might also want to do a buy lights. Let me just edit both of those at once. Where's the original Okay, fine. We don't have that. Edit. No, there haven't. I should. Yeah, fine. I'll up the donation goals. There we go. Where's my sponsor? Okay, give me a sponsor image and I'll add it. Okay, so also buy lights only costs 10 today. I highly suggest trying it. I don't think your goals are high enough. Yeah, you got to be realistic. Maybe I should maybe I should have done some coding today instead of just to-do list tackling. I don't want to do anything too serious here. Are we not funding your new Porsche too? No, just the donation goals that you see on stream. Oh, hey, Hackerham. And thanks. That sounds good. I'll add that to my list. Oh, man. I'll be blind when going out tonight. How do you think I feel? You remember Valentine's Day? This stream was ridiculous that day. I actually got a headache from the color scheme. Alright, so maybe the inspector blueprint rows shouldn't use the same rows as in when you click on edit. Maybe you could remove the height attribute so it does not take unneeded space. ADSCN. Yeah, Sublime changes. You can type buy lights for that. Don't forget, we were trying to work toward the boat cosplay. How are you doing the Sublime stuff? Yeah, you're right. It's just that. But I spent a lot of time on this. I don't know if that's obvious. All right, let's add we got a new sponsor. This is such a mess. Fix it. I don't see anything wrong, Pro Sam. Yeah, nothing wrong here. All right, we got to add a new sponsor image. Digi sponsor. All right, I just got to find the image now. Where is it? Yeah, here we go. Okay. Let's put this here. We got a sponsor image. Cool. Refund. All right, Hideo. Make it white on white. You can only change the theme. You can't actually change the individual colors. So, Pro Sam, I don't know what you're talking about. Have you thought about a stream overlay so that when Sublime text turns white, we can still see the things? I could put. Yeah, I'd have to change that. I don't think I can do that today. Okay, let's take a look at this. I mean, having these rows instead of the ones you have in the inspector. Wait, what's going on? Why does this image not work? Hideo, did you delete this? Hey, Dev. Oh, thanks, Liquidor. Good God. Jeez, no wonder people do top cheers things. I was doing this as a joke. But people are going bonkers. Alright, hang on. I gotta set all this stuff up. Thank you, Liquidor. I can't even find these things. Alright, this is 1625. There we go. What was the image? I have no idea what it is. It was from this message. And let me get the sponsor image. Alright, Liquidor sponsor.jpg. There we go. We'll just add a new image for the sponsors. Cool. So Liquidor sponsor. This is modern day game development, everybody. I think it's important that you realize it's all part of the process. All right, that's a little too much. Let's remove that. There we go. All right. So sponsor, we'll put this over the reserve for sponsor. This too. All right. See you, Pro Sam. Catch you on Monday. All right. We should add some sponsor text here. Cool. Yeah, nice. So remember the today command, everybody. Can I update my picture? Sure. Why not? There. Can you add some marquees? Yeah, I need to have set those up beforehand though. Also, Hideo, if you don't have this, that's okay. Hey, Walshy. Do you support GIFs? Let's just say no. I'm not going to look into that, I think. Walshy, have you done buy lights yet? You should definitely do buy lights. I highly suggest it. Oh, Hackram. Thanks for subbing. Welcome. Also, I don't think I ever said welcome back for Programmer D. Welcome back. All right, we got to add this on the sub goal. This only reinforces bad things, people. Why is Kappa Claw still a thing? Who knows? Hey, Olson. All right, remove the to do. Yeah. Well, I guess you'll just make the suggestion again if it's still relevant. Oh yeah, you got your. Alright, let's do that too. How much to be a sponsor? I don't know. I'm just making this stuff up. JBugsy. Alright, we gotta add another picture here. Add image. Hacker ham sponsor. How many lines have I completed on the to-do list? I don't know. Alright. There we go. Code splitting master Hideo. There you go, Deke. There you go. Can you make the Sublime font smaller? I can still see it. Oh, Soul Sorcerers, you guys control the Sublime font today. Just do buy lights. You'll see. I don't even know who just subbed. I don't see a message. Oh, Digi. Whoa. Thank you. What happened? Dude, you were just saying actually that you shouldn't subscribe this time. The ST background should match the light. Well, good luck doing that. Alright, so here, when a bot is under the influence of a tower, maybe you should add that information to the inspector. Yeah, I think this could happen eventually, but it's not going to happen yet. Dirty sellout. I like more testing when editing your defense. Whoa, J Bugsy. Thanks for the bits. Alright, let's update everything. So I need to get J Bugsy. He just wants a fish. That makes sense. So where's the donation goal? Here it is. I'm just gonna add. And J Bugsy. Nice. Let's get the sponsor. J Bugsy sponsor. Alright, image. Can't see it. Hey, Chorus Stream. Welcome to this highly respectable stream where you'll find no pandering or selling out whatsoever. I suggest you type the today command and find out what's going on today. No, I certainly wasn't, Banana. I really thought people would just be like, okay, that's a funny joke, Adam. You can turn the overlays off. Instead, people are encouraging this. Hey, Fallen NG. Yeah, the today command is going to be really important. Let's all just spam that in chat, I think, and that way everyone can know what's going on. There we go. All right, more testing when editing your defense. This is definitely going to happen. That's part of the alpha feedback. Yeah, so when you follow, you automatically get a like and subscribe and a Sublime token. So just feel free to use that. You'll get a link from my bot. I think you should once a day get the number of edited defenses and log that. It's decreasing pretty fast. This is a good metric. Hey, Mr. Plumbum. Welcome back, Led. How many followers now so we can get you to cosplay? We are at 5247. So 5247 followers. Are you able to send me the code? I don't have messages on here. Oh, yeah, I can. Let me just do it myself for you. Here you go, Soul Sorcerers. Wait, I don't understand. Maybe I misunderstood you when you said send you the code. I whispered it to you. But if you don't get messages, then you probably... Huh. Alright, PC build goal. 200. Sum the top donation of the day and not per donation. Yeah, well, we do things differently here. So we're going to add some metrics. This game is not very good, and why don't you have any furniture? What game? I don't even know what game you're talking about. And I do have furniture. I'm sitting on a dining room chair right now. Hey, Lennox. Yeah, so another good metric to have would be figure out how many people are editing defenses each day and how many times each person is editing them. I thought you were standing up. No, I'm not standing up. I could stand up if you want. Can see the notification, but the chat is blank. Alright, there we go. Can't watch April Fool's everywhere? What are you talking about, folk? It's not everywhere. You don't know what you're talking about. Alright, we'll put this here. Metrics. How frequently people are editing their defense. Also, maybe how many times each person is editing their defense. So, Rex, the game that I'm working on is called Botland. And I'm working on the to-do list that I generate while I'm making Botland. It'll be online on Monday if you want to play it. It was also online yesterday. But yeah, you should check out the video. And probably also the FAQ. Oh, no problem. I wonder how much time it'll take to reset everything to normal. Oh, so maybe not very long. I don't know. We'll have to find out. When am I showing off Boatland? Well, don't forget the today command does have a video there. And hey, the Lonely Lion and Feather. White Sublime background. So you guys can control the backgrounds today. Just type buy lights and you'll get a Sublime token as well. In fact, let me just show you this. So here's the normal UI you guys have where you can change the lights and everything, right? Here's the new UI you guys have for today where you can change the Sublime theme in the background. So yeah, feel free to mess around with that today. Okay, so get the number of edited defenses. We're done with that. Figure out how many people are editing defenses each day. That's done. There we go. Playing vacuum ads. What type of sorcery is this? This is Fool versus To-Do. Consider throttling any major functions that happen from Redux. When dragging, I throttled set coordinates. I heard you talking. You could use something like Redux throttle actions. I should probably take a look at this. How does this work? Middleware throttle actions. Does throttle all actions? I probably don't want this. I don't want to do this. Hey, Romania. It's going pretty well. Yeah, I'm not sure about this. It looks like this may throttle individual actions. I don't know if I want to use this. I think I'm going to delete this from here. Hey, Svenhoff. And no, this is made from scratch in JavaScript Rex. Hey, Cucumber Owl. So consider throttling any major functions. I still need to do this part. This is something, but I'll need to do. Yeah, I'll just add this to my list later, I think. What's JavaScript? It's just a programming language. So add to a long-term to-do list. Make sure I'm throttling any necessary Redux actions like scrolling. What else? Updating progress bars, etc. Damn. Oh boy. Also, I'm gonna have to update Pixie. Thanks, Lebra. Is this gonna be a normal stream with us? Well, I'm gonna be streaming for only another like 40 minutes. I have some plans today. This was only supposed to be a 1 hour long stream. So I am doing some normal work while I'm streaming, but it won't be an 8-hour programming day or something. I'm just working on my to-do list. A whole reducer, lots of actions. You can throttle and dethrottle without changing your components and containers. Yeah. I'll write this down at least. Okay. Not positive I need to dispose of sprites. I should add this here. We should actually go take a look at Pixie's change. No, I don't. Well, the notepad to do this is definitely going to be longer. I've got a lot of cleanup work over the weekend. Let's just put it that way. Right here. Look at the change log for Pixie. White and Empty's base textures weren't truly protected from destroy. Live fixing on twitch.tv. Oh man, that's pretty great. Hey 12. Okay, yeah, we gotta write this down. Make sure to update Pixie to be 4.4.4. I got a call out. Rex, that was me who's moderating you. I do ask that you still keep things civil in here. I know this might seem like a joke stream today, but there are some things that aren't jokes, and I don't want the chat to be hostile, so yeah. They should have linked your stream. That would be quite funny. Alright. I'm nearly positive I should make a proper class so I can access things properly. The easiest way to do this is just let the cosmetics continue. Yeah, this is... I had already worked on this. No, 12, I don't think I'm going to do something like that. And Rex, I don't... There's no need to permaban you. Not yet, at least. I'm helping. Yeah, make sure you guys read the today command for today. The way I suggested could be used without a router or reducer or multiple reducers. Let's see. Hey, Wraithy. Huh. I guess I should look at this in Sublime, huh? Yeah, let's do that. Can you imagine Me actually doing a boat cosplay. Okay, reducer is one possible way to go. Having one action called and resizing the window for the whole app. Alright, see you, Rex. Not today, Adam, not today. Yeah, I guess you guys can't really read this, huh? I should probably get rid of the... Where is it? Sub goal. There it is. Yeah. We'll just tone this down a whole lot. And we'll move it down to here. And then there's a box here, too. I'll just delete this. Oh, nice, Liquidor. I didn't know that. Did you still have points? Because you had a bunch of points. Yeah, you had 1 point now. Needing to react to window resize event. So how does this work? Hey, Coffee Kills. Yeah, I think I'll leave this on the to-do list for right now. I'm still going to need to read this. And this is, okay, we'll add this to the, yeah, we'll add this to the list later. I'll try to get the very low priority stuff off of this list today. To find dates in MySQL in the last day. Now minus interval 1 day. I want to write this down. So I've got a MySQL note here. Interval. Do I ever use this? Yeah, now minus interval 1 day. Okay, cool. I'm doing well. Today's been an interesting day. Yeah, Svenhoff, I should have made font customization. Man, I went through all the settings and I'm like, this is taking way too long to do this. Yeah, this is eventually going to be fixed. Not literally nothing. That's not true. I had originally 936 lines. I am down to 900 lines. I've gotten 36 lines finished. All right. And yeah, I've used Nmap before, Lonely Lion. Why do you ask? Hey, Sound of Gaming. Hey, Kazoos. Yes, you have the silver kappa. Yeah, I'm going to leave that there. Make sure players are forced to have a defense after some time. They're not forced to upgrade it. They should be forced to have one. Note that when they do upgrade it, they may be pulled out of the matchmaker. That's not true anymore. Hey, Dano. Glad you like it. Yeah. Hey, Dig Down Deep. You are correct about that. And this I'm going to get rid of. Maybe my last 2 feedbacks of the day. I think I played enough to get everything that bothers me for this update. You must be getting annoyed by me. You still have somewhere a div with a red background? Yeah, reordering blueprints I don't think is going to happen. Not for a long time, probably. Yeah, Ice Pool Wolf. And thanks, Wraithy. Yeah, a lot of time went into that. Hey, Hervey. Okay. Yeah, that div with the red background, we talked about at least. I don't know about reordering blueprints, but yeah. Another Hideo wants. Well, now it's gone. One time you were thinking of debugging purposes, giving a user a way to export the Redux store. Yeah, this I'll save for later, I think. Save everyday ratings externally so you can track. Yeah, this is now done. Well, not externally, it's not. Also, every time someone changes the font size, I have to scroll up again. Sword of Fortune. I think this is the issue with Unicode names, is as a streamer, even if I know it, other people might not know who I'm referring to. Okay. Yeah, let's delete that. At some point, make sure that the expanded version of Figure It Out exists in Blockly as a pre-made script. That way anyone can modify its behavior and also know exactly what it does. Yeah, this is going to be done much later. In fact, I wonder if there's anything I'm doing that no, there shouldn't be anything specific. $12, that's like OG meme material. Dig down deep. In order to make it so you could change the background color, that'd be really tough. But to change the font, yeah, I should have done that, and I just didn't do it. Yeah. Repair alternative repair CPU and regen CPU. Okay, let's go look this stuff up. So I somewhere have the list of hardware. Here it is. Chips. Is regen CPU? Yeah, there it is. Okay, so we have that written down. We don't have repair CPU. As far as I know, at least. Oh, 12. One thing you can't see now is that there were sponsor images. You can see this actually. Reserved for sponsor images. I can't move this in such a way that you can really see it. But yeah. And then people started cheering, so I just said, oh yeah, you guys are sponsors now. There's a recommendation about 2 Webpack package. The first one, the validator one, is built in, so you can forget it. Okay, cool. Note, the validator one is now built into Webpack. So I will insert a new row here. We'll call this CPU repair. A repair that can be used on your CPU. This would only be allowed as a defender. Yeah, not this year, Banana. You need to plug your social media links more? Oh, I gotta delete the tomorrow command. And anyone who's coming to the stream for the first time today, don't judge my stream based on today. You can watch past broadcasts and see what it's normally like. Yeah, so I got that there. I highly recommend Webpack Validator. So I don't need this, but Webpack Merge to help with the config and make sure your config is okay. I'll have to look this up. Hey, EOJ. Yeah, let's look up Webpack Merge. Ooh, Dana. Thanks for the resub. Alright, I don't know if I'm still doing this sub goal thing, but let's update it anyway. Yeah, I mean, I've got a scene set up so that if I ever did that, we'd be set. Hey, Token Guard. So, Hideo, what is this useful for? Webpack merge. I'm not popping my collar. Hey, Mononco. Let me read this. A merge function that concatenates arrays and merges objects, creating a new object. If functions are encountered, it will execute them, run the results through the algorithm, and then wrap the return values within a function again. Behavior is particularly useful in configuring Webpack. Yeah. Yeah, sick. I don't see the problem. Definitely don't see the problem here. I usually have 4 Webpack config files merged with this plugin, base dev test prod, because you don't want the same things depending on environment. Oh, I see. Okay. So let's see if I can actually write into Sublime here. So Webpack merge. We'll write that down. Hideo suggests Webpack merge if you have multiple Webpack config files, e.g. base dev test prod. So that you don't have to write is dev everywhere. Yeah, right now I only have dev and prod. Eventually, if I have a staging one, I think that would be helpful. So I'll delete that for right now. Check out source code. I think I did that. You like it, Kazoos? There should be a way to fetch the latest logs via REST API for the overseer. By the way, don't forget, when you're editing those Sublime changes, there's a 500 millisecond debounce. So clicking it repeatedly will provide the changes, but only after 500 milliseconds. Hey, Rami. And Hideo, was it worth delaying your plans for? Alright, so let's look at this. It should highlight the tile where it's going to be placed. Yeah, I think this is what happens right now. Let me take a look. See if I can even run Botland. Donation goal, raising money for what? Comic-Con 2022. Yeah, let me move the sponsor image. There you go. There. It's a family stream. And thanks, Rami. Yeah, I'm glad. Alright, let's see if I can find where I left off here. Yeah, this should be done. Yeah, that's what I wanted to test out here, is what happens if I drag bots around now. How does this work? Yeah, okay, so it does pretty much highlight the tile. I like that. Just a random design idea / thought. What do you think about the chips panel sliding up? And oh, where did the text go? And the chips are inside the panel instead of chips being in their own little container. I think this is something that's going to be addressed with once I actually get chips working. But I'm okay with this. I'm going to delete this for now because we'll get back to this. Wait, why, Dev? Well, thanks, Kazoos. I'll add this to the... Oh god, where is this? Sub goal. There. So what is this blog post about? Twitch is going to deprecate some API. When does this happen by? Because I'm probably... Wait, is this requiring user ID? Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I do anything specifically here, but Phantom Bot needed to be updated, and I know that I need to update Phantom Bot. Yeah, on February 14th, we'll be removing V1 and V2. Wow. Well, no, it's the text name is Subgoal, Raimi. Lights only cost 10 points today. Yeah, because lights control multiple things today. You can control the lights if you want. You can also control how my Sublime looks today if you want. It's I spend a lot of time preparing for April Fools every year for you guys. Alright, so we don't need this anymore. I wonder if for people that haven't connected in like X days, say they have events, you should not add 2 random chips for their defenses. Testing your feature would be kind of hard. Yeah, this is something I don't think I need to do this anymore. Only when you start to use the buttons, Raimi. You can have the link open forever. Well, not forever. I shut it down every day. But you can have the link open for like 2 hours, and until you actually click a button, it won't count. Should have requested a spot on the Twitch homepage today. Thanks for the bit today, huh? There. I will keep this updated. Man, so this is the thing. Anyone new to this stream, I feel like, is going to be immediately turned off from this, even though they know it's April Fool's today. So I wouldn't want any more publicity around this. But I do want to spread that video that's in the today command. That took so many hours. No, Raimi, so make sure, remember, they still expire at the end of every day. And today is going to be ending in like 15 minutes. So yeah, you can't really stockpile them. How much Botcoin users are gaining every day and week. This was written down in Delta Botcoin. Yeah. The whole point of this table. How much people are earning every day. It's just for metrics. But it's also really important. Fallen NG. I don't know if you actually have that many followers, but thank you regardless. Ever left the lights active and just had them change at midnight? No, Walshy, but the bot is in charge. So here's what happens. Let's say you change color loop so that it's on. Then I shut down the bot. Then for hours, for the rest of the night, color loop was just on for many nights sometimes. Not many nights. But it happened like 2 or 3 times. Where it was on and my lights would just change colors for the next like 6 hours until I shut the lights off. Because the bot was what was responsible for turning color loop off. Then I finally made myself a command that lets me change them myself. Wait, why? Remember, guys, this stream is only going to be another like 15 minutes. So I know a bunch of people have said, I can't watch this, Adam. You've got too much stuff on the screen. If this were a serious screen, or stream, you wouldn't see a bunch of stuff. So there should be a way to fetch the latest logs via REST API for the overseer. So I don't have to SSH. I read that one already. This I already have tracked on the to-do list. You should embed an iframe the GitHub changes under the news tab, fast and easy, so people don't have to type changes in chat or even get out of the game. That is a good idea. Or I should just write up custom news items. Alternatively, I could write up custom news items. Why haven't you told people it's a 24-hour stream yet? Remember Valentine's Day? This is the second time I'm mentioning this. I had my color scheme set to purple the entire day, and I got a headache, and I had to actually like just go lay down after the stream. I don't think I could do this for 24 hours. Can we ban whoever discos your Sublime? I mean, we could figure out who it is. I could tell you exactly who's doing this. It is Hervey. Oh no, Hervey's trying to use an expired token. By the way, Hervey, you should cut that out, because this isn't doing anything, I hope. Or maybe it is doing something, in which case I coded this wrong. Huh, I should probably test that out. Wait, or I'm reading the wrong thing. Oh no, that was Digi. Oh, sorry, I was reading higher up in the log. Yeah. It's Digi spamming this. Got it. My bad, Herbie. Valentine's Day was pretty horrible. I agree. That was not a good idea. But it was worth a shot. I thought it'd be funny for a little while. Can we ban Digi? How many points does Digi have? Alright. Points take iDigi. No one give Digi any more points. I'm holding these hostage till the end of the stream. You got another 45 seconds, Digi. Alright, where'd I leave off? Yeah, this. Don't know if you know that. Pretty neat plugin for OneNote. Add search and replace. Get one-tastic. This is probably good. I think I looked at this a while ago. Hideo, did you pay for this plugin? Pricing. Yeah, interesting. Oh, you're not in the clear either, Banana. Well, have fun without your points. Who's the April Fool now? Yeah, I don't know if I want to use something like this. And yeah, I'll stick with just regular OneNote. But this is good. So use this so I don't have to keep saying yes to Ansible's prompts. Yeah, I think I wrote this down already. Yeah, we can put this here. Alright, Digi should be running out of points soon. Oh, look at that. Digi's token expired. Created token for Liquidor. At least. Oh well. I think Liquidor's account was compromised by Digi. Watch this. Watch this, Digi. You see this? You see this thing? Not anymore, you don't. Alright, now we can move the fish image up here. Okay, who's still giving Digi points? I feel like this is some twisted experiment. Alright, what else can we do here? Guys, having a hard time picking between Unity and GameMaker. Unity offers 2D and 3D. GameMaker's only 2D. Unity also takes a cut of profits. So, Sound of Gaming, I know we've talked about like your future in general. I think you shouldn't worry about Unity taking a cut of the profits yet. Because I think of it in sort of, there are three main cases that could happen, right? One is your game wouldn't make a lot of money. Your game would make a reasonable amount of money, and your game is, oh, whoops, wood, and your game is the most successful game in the world. So in either extreme, it doesn't really matter if the Unity is taking a cut of the money. It's in this case that you start to care, where let's say your game is making, $30,000 a year. That's not wildly successful. That's not, just like pocket money. So then losing 15% of that, or 20, or whatever it is the Unity takes, isn't the greatest. But still, in any of those cases, you have to imagine, would it be as easy to make the game? Is it going to cost you more time? So I say you should just go with Unity probably. It's a very well supported engine. It's got a lot of features. I haven't used Game Maker. You'll get your points back on Monday. All right, Lake Fedora. There you go. Worth it. And yeah, I have seen Edgeburn, man. Okay, I think you should stop for pixie rendering in this stage and the initial arena is rendered. Yeah, I gotta write this down. I think I wrote destroy. Yeah. I gotta write this over here. These are some relatively quick fixes that I can make. Whoops. There we go. Oh, thanks, Images. Yeah, let me update the donation goal. There we go. Programmer D, it's only 10 points. and if you send them to Digi, Programmer D, you specifically, I will never refund your points. Just to test me. See if I'm kidding about this. For those of you who haven't seen it, there's the today command. There's a video I suggest you watch. We're just about to break Adam's spirit. It is currently 10:54. I'm done with this stream in about 5 minutes. So if you can break my spirit in 5 minutes, then kudos to you. Otherwise, I'm cruising out of here. In fact, we should probably wrap this part up. So yeah, I'll take a look at some of these later. So let's see how much we got done with today. We had, what, 936? So I got 61 lines removed. Nice. Done on the to-do list. Well, I am now that I got the money, Capillara. Sound of Gaming, the number of concurrent users isn't something Unity can even put a limit on. I think they're talking about using their networking tools. And if I ever wanted to make a multiplayer game, I think one of the things you should probably first do, you can make however many games you want in Unity and just never release them, right? So if you design a game and then you figure out, oh, I'm going to need multiplayer, and yeah, it's incredibly crucial that I use whatever built-in networking there is, and then I have more than 200 players, then yeah, that can help you make your decision. Okay. So yeah, let's go back to just normal for a second here. Images, what happened is if you... Beehive Queen. Yeah, so what happened is you can type by lights and it'll take you to a UI that looks like this. You could always control my lights through here, but as of today, you can control Sublime through here as well. So you can see this changing, and I will tell you what the heart button does. The heart button resets everything to normal. So there. But other people are also modifying it as I'm doing this too. Anyway, today I think was fun really, the things that I had planned for you guys was the Sublime, which you obviously abused, the video that I made, which took an incredibly long time. But I hope you guys enjoy that, and I'll keep linking that throughout the rest of the week. The Sublime thing's gonna go away. This is just for today. And there was a third thing. Oh yeah, the stream overlay. I honestly, I appreciate the bits, guys. I definitely do, and the subscribes. But I meant it as a joke. Like, I expected those numbers to all stay at 0, and yeah. So today was a lapse in the sellout command, I guess. And you were sneaky. Well, nothing else would have reset it. I figured everyone would test it. Link to the video. It's in the today command. Token guard, I'm glad. Yeah, last year's April Fool's, in case you guys are curious, was this video, the world record video. It was, the Boatland video. And then there were a bunch of other little jokes throughout the day. This year, I spent maybe a little bit less time. Last year was like 8 hours. This year was probably like 6 hours. And yeah. But anyway, like I said, thank you. Thank you for the cheers. It was like $62 worth of cheers today in an hour. I don't think I've ever had that kind of density of cheers per stream. But yeah, so Monday we'll go back to a serious stream. And I'll turn off the Sublime thing. Or maybe I'll make it cost like 1,000 points or something like that. I don't know. I'll probably just get rid of it though. And yeah, it'll go back to botland coding. So thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you on Monday. So take care. Bye.